Okay, changing colour. This procedure is the same for whether we're changing the same colour, so we've run out of that colour and we're putting the next ball on, or if we're changing colour completely. So we always change colour on the right side of our work. How I know that is the wrong side has all these ends and looks like that where we've changed colour. You can, it's a good idea to mark your right side when you first start so that you know that's always your right side, so that's the side that I change colour on. And you want to change colour at the edge of your blanket so that it's easier to weave in the ends. So you may have quite a long piece still left on the ball of yarn, and you would just snip that about 12 centimetres out to leave a tail, and then you grab your new ball of yarn and just, you want the same kind of tail on that new ball of yarn, so about 12 centimetres, and our right needle goes through the first stitch. We're holding our new yarn in our left hand just to anchor it there. Our old yarn is going to go over the top of that just to hook it in place as we knit the first stitch. Okay, so we've got our new colour on, and I'm only going to hook it just with that one stitch, and we just carry on knitting all the way. And then you can tighten up those tails, just pull them a bit, and then they're just left there for later on when we weave in all the ends, and just continue across with your new colour. It's as simple as that.